So today I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot of your computer. There's a lot of different ways to do this, but it is helpful because then you can share what's going on your computer with me easily. So what I do is I click on the search bar at the bottom and then I start typing in snip because snip will bring up the snipping tool. So if I just type SNI, it will come up. Then I'm going to double click on it or just click on it and it will open up that tool. And when the tool opens, I'm going to click on new. And then I can take a picture of anywhere on my screen. Okay, so I'm just going to take a picture of this drawing right here. And then it pops up. I'm going to save what I took a picture of. And I'm going to click Save As. And I'm going to save it as picture. I'm going to rename it. And then over here, I can decide where I want it to go. Okay, so if I want it to go to my desktop, I'm just going to click there. So that way I can find it more easily. And I'm going to click Save. Okay, and when I save, it popped up right here. If you see that, that's where my picture is. So then I can attach it to emails and easily you guys can show me what you're seeing on your screen. Okay, thanks.